How to buy Doge coin on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Doge coin on Etoro app in easy fast method. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro app. This is the home page as you can see. Now you go down to watch list, click on the watch list. Sorry, you have to go to the watch list like this, and then go down and you will find the Doge coin. If you didn't find it here, just click on this icon right here. I'm sorry, not here. Click here and choose crypto and you will find it. Now click on Doge and then click trade. After that, choose the amount of money that you want to invest and click open trade. Then choose your payment method and click deposit here down below. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.